Good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we discuss? The concept sets. Open your textbooks. Okay, open your textbook and see your exercise 1.1. Sets. What is set? Set is the set of all well-defined collection of well-defined objects. Collection of well-defined objects. Objects means elements, numbers, or anyone. Sets are two types, two forms. What is the form? Roster form and set builder form. Roster. What is the roster form? Roster form is the direct elements by in between commas, by using the commas in element in between commas, by using the in the right braces. What is the braces? This is the bracket, braces symbol. This is the braces. The elements are right by using the commas in the braces. What is the set builder form? Set builder form is set of all. This is set builder form. Set of all means this is set of all. This is braces form. This is called as set of all x such that x is an integer, x is a natural number, x is a even numbers. This is the set builder form. Next, we go to the first exercise. What is the first exercise? Which of the following are sets? So, sets means what? Well-defined collection of well-defined objects. Well-defined means the natural numbers. Natural numbers is a set to natural numbers. The collection of dangerous animals. This is not a set. Collection of most talented writers in the world. This is not a set because most talent is how to decide. This is most talented, most dangerous, most clever in your class. This type particularly clever, dangerous, kindness, e type andre adu is not a set. Next, belongs to. What is the meaning of belongs to? For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 elements in the set A. So the belongs to is denoted by this is symbol of belongs to, or write in the letter form belongs to, belongs, belongs to. Okay, element belongs to set 2. Okay, what is the meaning of 1 belongs to A? 1 is the element of the set A. 1 anedi the set A set element 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 belongs to A. Wrong, because A set has only 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no 5. So 5 does not belongs to A. This is the second problem. Next, third problem, roster form. Write in the roster form. -3 less than x less than 7. -3 less than x less than 7. Write in the roster form means so. -3 to 7. How many elements are there? -3, -2, -3. There is no -3 because less than. Less than means above -3. This is below 7, not 7, below 7. This is the meaning, below 7. So -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 6. This is the roster form. Okay. Next one, write the following sets in the set builder form. This is the set builder form of the third problem. Set builder form is given. We have to write roster form. Now fourth problem, roster form is given. We have to write set builder form. Fourth question, first one. For example, take an A. A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12. The second one, B, taken B. Second one, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Next, third one is 5, 25, 125, 625. Next, fourth one is taken D, 2, 4, 6. B is equal to 2, 4, 6 and so on. Next one, last one is fifth. Fifth is equal to 149. 149 and so on 100. This is the roster form. Okay, we have to observe. What is this is the reasoning type. 3, 6, 9, 12. What we have to find? What we have to learn? 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 2, 6, 3 is the 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. This is multiple of 3. Multiple of 3, not only finite, this only 4, not and so on. Okay, what is set builder form? A is equal to, first of all, compulsory set of all, listen, set of all x such that x is equal to what is 3, multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means 3 into n, 3 into m or any one. M is a constant. And n is what? 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. N అనేది up to 1, 4 or 1 less than or n less than or equal to 4 or n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, understand? 1 is equal to 4. Next, second one. Read out 3 into 1, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. Next to 3 into 5. Next to 3 into 6. This one. What we have to observe? Here 2, 4, 8, 16. What is the meaning? 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. So what is it? This is, so B is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to 2 power n. X is equal to 2 power n is not any number, only, and n is equal to 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5. 1 code, 1 is also even 1, even 1, even 5. Okay, next 5 square. This is what we have to observe. 5 for 1. Next 5 square is equal to 25. Next 5 cube. Next 5 power 4. 25. 5 cube is equal to 25. 5 is 125. 25, 25, 60. C is equal to, what is meaning? X such that x is equal to 5 power n. And what is n up to? Starting, what is starting and what is ending? That is clear. 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. Next here. This is 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3 and so on. Okay. So D is equal to set of all x such that x is equal to 2n. X is equal to n, 2n is equal to 1, n is equal to, so n is what? Natural numbers. Up to, starting 1, ending, there is no ending. So n belongs to n. N belongs to n, or n is a natural numbers. This is all. Next, 1 is 1 square, 4 is 2 square, 9 is 3 square, and so on 10 square. Okay, you have to observe 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. So what is the set of all x such that x is n square? n is equal to 1, no, 1 square, n is equal to 2, 2 square, n is equal to 3, 3 square. Okay, and what is n up to? N is equal to 1 less than n less than or equal to 10. N is equal to 1 to 10, no. Okay, this is the roster form is converted into set builder form. How to write set builder form? This is set builder form procedure. Okay, next. Okay, list all the elements of the following. Fifth question, list all the elements, list all the elements, list all the elements of the following. List all the elements of the following. The set builder form is given, convert into roster form. So first one, A is equal to x such that x is an odd natural number, Odd natural number means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. All numbers are natural numbers. In natural numbers, only odd natural number. Only odd natural numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. There is no limit. Okay, second one. B is equal to set of all x such that x is an integer. X is an integer minus 1 by 2 less than x less than 9 by 2. Integer means what? Integer means only numbers, negative and positive numbers only. There is no fractions 1 by 2, 1 by 3. So you know real line. This is the real line. In the real line, this is 0. This is minus infinity and so on, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity. So minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 0.5. Minus 0.5 after, this is minus 0. This is minus 0.5 in between. This is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1, no? Minus 0.5, 0. This is between. So this is in between only integers. Integers means negative and positive numbers. Negative, positive. So minus 1 by 2 is not taken because less than, and minus 1 by 2 is not an integer. This minus 1 by 2 before integer value 0. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 by 2 is equal to 4.5. 4.5 before integer value. 4.5 before integer value 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 0.123. All integers, so there is no factors. C is equal to x such that x is an integer. x is an integer, x is an integer, x square less than or equal to 4. X square less than or equal to 4. X square less than or equal to 4 means x is equal to what? X is equal to less than or equal to 4 x square value. So x square less than or equal to 4 means, okay, less than or equal to c is equal to minus 2 whole square, minus 2 whole square. For example, minus 3, for example, x square is equal to 4, x is equal to plus or minus 2. X square is equal to 4, x is equal to plus or in between values, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Apply minus 2 whole square, 4 less than or equal to 4, correct. Minus 4, 1 less than or equal to 4, correct. 0 less than or equal to 4, correct. 1 less than or equal to 4, correct. 4 less than or equal to 4. For example, take it minus 3. Minus 3 whole square is equal to what? 9. 9 less than or equal to 4. Okay. 9 less than or equal to 4. Which one is bigger? 9 is bigger or 4 is bigger? 9 is bigger. So this is wrong. So this is the answer. Next to fourth one. D is equal to x is set of x such that x is a letter in the word, is a letter in the word loyal. Loyal in how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. In 5 letters, L is repeated 2 times. L is repeated 2 times. So 2 L's taken 1 time. 0, Y, comma, A. This is the answer. L 2 times repeated, not taken 2 times, only taken 1 time. Okay. Next to X is a month of year not having 31 days. Not having 31 days. Not having 31 days. So and the 30 not having 31 days mean how many 31 days? So not having 31 days. And 30, 28 this type. So January 31 days. So February, March 31. Okay. February, April, June, September, November, this one. Not having 31 days. Not having 31 days. This was okay. Next. X is a consonant of in the alphabet which preceding K. Which preceding consonant in the alphabet. How many consonants are? A, E, I, O, U is the vowels. Consonants are up to K. Preceding K. Preceding K means mundu, before. Okay. Preceding means preceding K means before K. Before K, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, K. Total letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Preceding K means before K. Before K up to J. In what is the consonants? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Remaining are consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J. These are consonants. Okay. Iక remaining sixth problem matching. Roster form to set builder form matching. You have to homework. Okay. Next go to the definitions. Empty set. Fifth problem homework. Fifth problem and some examples. Okay. all are having textbooks. There is no textbook means I did send textbook sets, only set chapter in our WhatsApp group. I did send. The set is the theory chapter. In theory chapter compulsory textbook. Have the textbook. Next. Okay, set okay. Next, empty set. Empty set. Set is means collection of well-defined objectives is called set. Empty set means there is no any element. Empty. Empty. No element. The empty set is denoted by pi or this one. Empty set. Empty set means there is no element. A set which does not contain any element. A set does not contain any element. Contain element means set. Does not contain any element is called empty set. Does not contain any element is called empty set. Empty set to or null set to empty set to null set to void set to void. Void set. The MC test set is denoted by pi. Next, finite and infinite set. What is the finite set to infinite set? Say finite to infinite set, finite infinite are sets, but sets are two types. Finite set to infinite set. For example, all integers, set of all integers. Set of all integers, set of all even numbers, set of all natural numbers, set of all odd numbers, this one. Set of all natural numbers means there is no countable, uncountable, numbers are uncountable, means for example natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to infinity. Infinity means uncountable. In this set the numbers are uncountable. Uncountable means infinite set to. Countable means finite set to. For example, set of all English letters in alphabet. English letter, how many English? 26. So, the finite. Countable. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 100 crores, 100 lakh, lakhs of crores. These are countable. Okay, countable is called finite set to. Uncountable means uncountable elements, uncountable numbers are called infinite set. Finite set means what? The number of a countable number of elements. Infinite means uncountable number of elements in the set. Example, countable example, 10 numbers, 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. Natural numbers, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And so on means infinite set. 1 to 10 means last number is there. Last number is there means this is the finite set. This one. Next equal sets. Next definition, equal sets. What are the equal sets? Equal set. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 1, 2, 3. These are equal sets. Equal set means what? The two sets having the same number of elements. Same numbers or same elements. Same elements, count also same. This is here 3 elements. B also 3 elements. 1, 2, 3 same elements, same number of elements is countable set. So A is equal to 2, 3, 1. B is equal to 2, 3, 2, 1. These are equal. A is equal to B. A is equal to how many elements? 1, 2, 3. B is equal to how many? 1, 2, 3. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B also 1, 2, 3. The elements are not in a sequence, ascending order, descending order. There is nothing. Any type of order. Compulsory increasing order, compulsory decreasing order. This is not. Okay. A is equal to. This is the equal set. Equal set means same elements, same count. Total is same and numbers also same. This is one. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly same elements. You can write A is equal to B. The symbol is A is equal to B. Next, okay, today next topic, what is the empty set? What is the empty set? A set containing there is no element, there contains no elements. Next, what is the finite, infinite? The set containing countable elements is called finite. Uncountable elements are infinite. Net equal sets. If A and B are two sets are equal, means same number of elements in two sets, same number of elements. The equal symbol is, this is the symbol, A is equal to B, this symbol of A is equal to B, this one. Okay. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. So, n of A is equal to 3. What is the meaning of n of A? N means number of elements in the set A. Number of elements, simply A is equal to 1, 2, 3. How many elements in the set A means 3. How many elements in set A is denoted by number of A, number of elements in set A. N of A, n bracket n of A is called number of elements in A. Number of elements in A is equal to count 1, 2, 3, how many elements? So, for example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. What is n of A? A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 3. Here, the A also 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. N of A. N of A is equal to 6. Is correct? 6 is correct. N of A is equal to, n of A is equal to not equal to 6. N of A is equal to only 6 because the 1 is 2 times, 2 is 2 times, 3 is 2 times. So that is equal, the set A is 1, 2, 3. In the set, the number repeated, how many times we will write only one time. 1 is repeated 10 times. First only 1. Only 1 is 1A, one time. Okay. So here 1 is 2 times. So taken 1 time. 2 is 2 times. Taken 1 time. 3 is 2 times. Taken. Not 2, 10 times, 100 times are repeated. 1. So the number is only not 100 numbers. Only one number. N of A is equal to what? 3. We observe, clear observation, compulsory. Okay, next to go to the exercise 1.2. The first problem. What is the first problem? Which of the following are examples of the null set? Which of the following are examples of the null set? Examples of null set. And the following sets are the null set or not? This one. First one. What is the first one? Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Odd natural numbers. What is the odd natural number? Odd natural numbers. Natural numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are natural numbers. Odd natural numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. These are odd natural numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. These are odd natural numbers. In odd natural numbers are divisible by 2. Divisible by 2 means 1 by 2 is 0. Divisible by 2. 3 is divisible by 2. 3, 1 odd numbers are not divisible by 2. So this is the empty set or null set. What is the null set? The set of all odd natural numbers divisible by 2 is a null set, because odd natural numbers are not divisible by 2. Must 100% sure. Next, set of even prime numbers. You know even numbers? Even numbers? Here you go. Even numbers. Anyone want? Write down. Even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, these are even numbers. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, these are so on. Even prime numbers. Prime number definition, even number definition, any number divisible by 2 is called even number. Any number is not divisible by 2 means odd number. What is the prime number? That any number that factors is 1 and itself. 1 and itself factors. So 1 is 1 itself. 1 ade itself ade. So 1 is not a prime number. Next 2. 2 factors 2 into 1. 1 itself. Next 3, 5, 7, not 9, because 9 factors 1, 3, 9. So 7, 11, 13 these are. So what is the even prime number? Set of even prime number, even and prime, both one. Even prime number is 2. 2 is the prime number and even number. So even prime number is 2. But 2 means this is empty set. Empty set is what? There is no elements in the set. No elements in the set is called empty set. So even prime number is not a empty set, because in the set 2 is there. Okay, next one. X is a natural number. X is a natural number. X less than 5 and x greater than 5. X is a natural number, x less than 5 and x greater than 5. X less than 5 and x greater than 5. X less than 5 is natural number. X less than 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4. X greater than 5 means 5 will be 6, 7, 8 and so on. And means intersection. The combined, there is no combined. And means what? Intersect. There is no common element. So this is the empty set. No common. One, there is no one. Common, no common. There is no common element in two sets. So this is empty set. Okay, next. Y is a point common. Y is a point common to any two parallel lines. Any two parallel lines. For example, these are two parallel lines. In two parallel lines, any common point is there? Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means the common point. Intersect means the two lines are intersect the same point. The parallel lines means these lines are both are, there is no common point. There is no common point. So no common point means no elements. No elements means this is the empty set or null set or void set. Okay. So tomorrow following sets are finite set. Which one is finite set? First one, which one is the null set? The given following problem. So following one, which one is the null set? Next one, which one is finite set? Identify. This is the finite set or infinite set. So continue the next class tomorrow. All are must have the textbook compulsory. This is theory chapter. Very easy chapter. Very easy. You will get easy marks in the chapter. Okay. All are must have the textbooks. Okay. Tomorrow I will continue the next one. Thank you.